Mushrooms are amazing. They are not plants, they are not animals, they are fungi. Fungi are a whole kingdom of life. Mushrooms are the fruit of the fungi. The fungi live underground in a network called mycelium. Mycelium is like the roots of a plant. It helps to break down organic matter. Mushrooms are full of nutrients. They are low in calories and fat. Mushrooms are a good source of protein, vitamins and minerals. You can grow mushrooms at home. It is easier than you think. You do not need a lot of space. You can grow mushrooms indoors or outdoors. Growing mushrooms is fun and rewarding. You can enjoy fresh, delicious mushrooms. You know exactly how they were grown. Growing your own mushrooms is sustainable. It reduces waste. You can use recycled materials to grow your mushrooms. Some mushrooms are easier to grow than others. Oyster mushrooms are a good choice for beginners. They are very forgiving. Shiitake mushrooms are another good option. They have a delicious savory flavor. Lion's mane mushrooms are beautiful and unique. They have a seafood-like flavor. Section 4. Getting started. What you need. You will need a few things to start growing mushrooms. Mushroom spawn, which is the seed of the mushroom. Substrate, the material the mushrooms will grow on. A container where you will grow your mushrooms. And a spray bottle, because you will need to mist the mushrooms regularly. You can find mushroom growing supplies online or at your local garden center. Section 5. Step-by-step mushroom growing. Here are the basic steps to grow mushrooms. First, prepare your substrate, which usually involves sterilizing it. Then, inoculate your substrate, meaning you add the mushroom spawn. Next, incubate the substrate by keeping it in a warm, dark place. After that, it's time for fruiting. Once the mycelium has colonized the substrate, you can move it to a brighter location. Finally, harvest your mushrooms. When they are ready, simply cut them off at the base. Section 6. Avoiding common mistakes. Here are a few common mistakes to avoid. Not sterilizing your substrate properly, keeping the substrate too wet or too dry, and not providing enough fresh air. With a little care and attention, you can avoid these mistakes. Section 7. Reaping the rewards, benefits of homegrown mushrooms. Growing your own mushrooms is rewarding. You get fresh, delicious mushrooms. You can experiment with different varieties. You know exactly what went into growing your mushrooms. With no harmful pesticides or chemicals, growing mushrooms is good for the environment. It reduces waste and is a sustainable practice.